How to buy Midjourney subscription. First, open your Safari. Then, search for Midjourney Discord. Make sure to have your Discord account and proceed to select the first result. Once you are here, just click Accept Invite. Then you will be redirected to the Discord app. Now click the upper left icon and then scroll down through these channels. Then select Trial Support. Then click this arrow button in the lower right corner of your screen. After that, in the message box, simply type in /subscribe and you will see this option. Simply click it and send it to this channel. After that, you will see this notification and just simply click the blue option and then you will be redirected to this page. Just verify this. Then you will be given an option to purchase a subscription. There is a yearly plan and a monthly billing. Simply choose between these two. And there are a lot of plans under it. Read through everything and their own perks. Once you have decided on one, just click subscribe and you will be redirected to another page. Here, just enter your payment method and your email. Simply follow the next steps that will be given. And once you are done with all those steps, you will now have your subscription of Midjourney. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.